Setting my season goal. Last year didn't make the playoffs. This year I'm committing to the playoffs. But this isn't a good start. Awful kick. Starting out on defense. He pitches it. Oh, I get the stop. But he gets the penalty. Face mask. Gifford trying to make some plays. And he does. Gifford out there at linebacker. Coverage. Oh, he got it, but he drops it. Oh, it's a screen. He hurdles and he gets it on third down. Playing some zone here. Using white. And it's another screen to the left, but my defense gets it. White here again. Oh, pick. Nope, he fits it in. I don't know how he got that. I thought that was a pick. Oh, going in, took the blocker out so my other guy can make the tackle. Gifford right here. I'm using him, but he gets tripped up. They score. I got the ball now. Mariota. I just signed him to a 1-year, $16 million contract. Before I had Matt Ryan on a $32 million contract, so I had to let him go. Week 1. But Breda getting close to the first down. Gifford. Alright, let me play some safety. I think I got him covered. Oh! But he gets it. Second and inches. Come on. Gifford's trying to make a play. He's only like 65 overall, but he has some speed, so he's a good user if I need the extra linebacker out there. And yeah, he almost picked it off. But. Oh, pick. Nope. All right. 3rd and 10. Let's get a stop. Oh, corner. Nope. Smacks it out. Now I got the ball. Started the second. Oh, but he came right there. Bunkner. I had to pause the game to see who that was. Then I started double teaming him. Because when they're coming through the middle like that, it's just... I mean, Mariota does have 88 speed, but I'm not trying to run. I'm trying to get some good passes in. Like that. Oh. Nice. Mariota trying to prove himself on a 1-year deal. Ridley to the right. Let's see what I can do. Oh, nothing. 3rd and 9. Let's go. Oh, run it. Can I run it? Oh, and he fumbles. Yep. But I still got it. Kicked the field goal. Like a 55-yarder. And I miss. Out route. Playing some zone. Trying to get a stop. And another out route. Watching the drag. Oh, smacks that. 4th and 1. Let's see. And he gets it. Time running out in the second. 1 minute left. He does a pitch, but I shut it down. All right. Out. Oh, I was coming for that. A little too slow there. And oh my goodness. Gifford 64 overall makes a play. He might be like 67 overall. Why? Oh, and the juke. Spin. RB. Let's go. Oh. He almost had it. Field goal. Yep, got it. Garoppolo, let's get a stop. Yeah. Fair catch. Started the third quarter. Mariota. 2. Ridley. But he stops it. He shuts it down. Oh. X. And then Julio Jones with a nice catch. Something realistic by Madden. B. Oh, he makes the catch. All right, a run to the left. Oh, bad spin. All right, where's Barnes at? Where's Barnes? Oh, joking, making spins. And the outside runs aren't working. Julio, where you at? Where you at, Julio? Yeah. I think I possession catched it right there, though. I should have ran after the catch and then dove into the end zone. All right. Read option, triple read option. Mariota, what's your money worth? Let's go. Oh, and he pitches it. He takes a hit for the team, and he pitches it on the perfect pitch for the touchdown. Uh-oh, but it's not going to matter if they keep scoring. All right, is it a run? Hope not, because I'm playing zone, but I'm blitzing with Jones. He didn't blitz, though. He went out for coverage. All right. I got him locked up and a pick, but he drops it. 11. Oh, I got it locked up, I thought, but nope. 3rd and 17. He gets it on like an in route. And then his outside runs are working. Oh, I was hoping he'd do that. I thought there might have been a pick coming. Oh, lays him out. Jones, he's a good linebacker. And just like that, the one-handed pick. 10-10. But I'm at the 1 yard line. Julio Jones, what you got? Yo, juke. Oh, badly times juke there. Now I'm at the 5. And that was my fault. I didn't have a quick receiver. Oh. And that was nice by him. He had that like out and up route from the running back, and then he did a slant over the top. I covered the slant. I gotta copy that play. Oh, and then I get him sacked with the safety. Here comes Jones, but he's playing zone. He can run it, but it's 3rd and 20, so he gets in field goal range. I tried to ice him right there, but it didn't work because he is up anyways. I kind of forgot, but. All right, let's see. Quick pass to the running back. He gets out of bounds. Nice. Pitch to the right, but he swallows it up. Look, right here, I could have passed it to RB. He would have been wide open, maybe a touchdown. And then I could have passed it to Julio Jones on the post. But they were coming. I could have also blocked the running back to get the extra blitzer, like I'm doing right now, it looks like. And then I'm looking at Jones because he has that space. If he just turns real quick, I'm pretty sure I can hit him. That dude's playing off. And then, boom, yep. I possession catched it. Could have ran after the catch, but I just wanted that sure thing. But sometimes when you possession catch it close to the line, they actually come back. So it's not always recommended if it's close. Looking for RB. And he almost made that. Alright, 3rd and 8 in the 4th quarter. I'm down 5 points. And I quick pass it to Julio Jones, coming in clutch with the first down. Running some corners. Oh, and I'm sacked, and I fumble. Oh, just like that. 0-1. How could that happen? Not a good way to start the season, guys. Not a good way. But sometimes you fumble. Wait. Mariota got another chance. Let's go. B, do it. Sliver of hope. And he gets it. Ridley with that speed. I had another dude open too. But Ridley just had that step on him. RB quick. And that's what I was looking for earlier. Oh, should have tried to dive right there. Julio Jones been coming in clutch all day. I'm looking for him. That dude's blitzing. If he was playing zone, I probably would have did something else. But I saw him blitzing instantly, and then I threw it. Try to run it here. I felt like I could have dove there too. Looked open. I could have dove. Quick dive. But he still has the opportunity. Game's not over. My 10-point comeback's not over. He's doing the post. And I have it shut down. I'm ready for that one-play touchdown. I'm not letting the post get me. Oh, and it's another post. Come on. But I'm ready for it. Sack. 6 seconds left. First game of the year. Short throw. Maybe you're trying to set up the Hail Mary. He has the opportunity, but it's incomplete. Marcus Mariota coming in clutch. Year 2022. 4th year of the franchise.